Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. And I just wanted to pop on here because this was just something I feel led to do and share with you what I'd like to offer to anyone who has a mortgage. I just want to explain something here about the unique nature of mortgages and how mortgage banks, have a way of computing interest that's called front loaded. And so here's an example of a $300,000 mortgage at 3%, for example. And if you noticed, your 3% really is not 3% because of the front loading. And so we all know that you pay interest up front, and very little goes to principal in that time frame. So I just want to show you what that looks like when you look at it in reality and you pay according to the bank's plan. For example, on this example here, you're talking about that whole first year, the net effective cost of the interest paid compared to the principal and interest paid was right at 58.73% for the entire first year. So you're not at 3%. And then if you notice, it goes down very, very little. I mean, you're still after 5 years at 53.48%. And when you go down even further and you get down to, say, year 10, you're still at 45.96%. And come on down to year 15, year 21, and you're still at double-digit credit card rates. What I want folks to know is there is a web-based portal that you can log into, and it uses factorial math, and that math looks at all the money coming into your home and what's going out, and it looks at ways to factorial math through algorithms, very advanced bank code and principles, to know how to cancel out that interest, or not all of it, but a majority of that interest. And when that happens, you change your 30-year timeline or your 30-year amortization into something much smaller, and that could be as little as a third or a half the time, in some cases less. I've seen 5 years, 7 years, and it's all just working with whatever a little bit of discretionary you might have, or however much discretionary you have. And it's not just paying extra principal. It takes more than just debt snowball or avalanche or some of the things that you've heard about. This is an exact, comprehensive, to the penny view of how to get to zero, how to root to zero the fastest. So I'm offering anybody that would like me to run your analysis this week, just let me know. And you don't have to give me any confidential or private data. It's just putting in some balances and rates and just seeing what your opportunity would be to cancel. We are very unique, and there's not another technology that does that. I'm very proud to represent this, and I just can't beg people enough to take a look at this. Like, why would you say no? Like, why would you want to pay any extra interest when you don't have to? Because this really is robbing you every day in your own home, through your home. Nothing wrong with leverage. We love it, but we can help change that very quickly to getting people out of debt faster. All right. I hope that you guys reach out. I look forward to hearing back from you. And thank you very much. Y'all have a great